Hello everyone, welcome back to Probability and Statistics series. In today's video, we are going to learn about what is conditional distributions, right? So here, we are going to learn about some important topics and some important real world issues that also we are going to discuss here today. So by the end of this video, you will understand what is conditional distributions means and how it is calculated and what is its real life and engineering applications, right? So let's begin. So recall, let's recall, right? So before we move forward, let's recall. Probability tells us the chance of an event happening, but sometimes we want to probability under a condition, right? For example, probability of a rain given that clouds are present. So this leads us to conditional probability, right? Second one, what is the definition of conditional probability? So this is my another question now. So the conditional distribution describes the probability of one random variable given that another variable is known. In simple words, it answers what is the probability of x and y is already known, right? So next, here we are using the formula that is the using the formula that is. So the formula is conditional PMF. That means conditional probability mass function. P of capital X is equal to small x, which is given by capital Y is equal to small y, right? So here the expansion of this term is capital P of x equal to small x comma y is equal to small y is whole divided by p of y is equal to y. So which means numerator is saying joint probability and denominator is saying probability of the condition. Okay, the key idea of this concept is focus on relevant information and reduce uncertainty, then make better predictions, right? So now let us understand this concept using design thinking approach, right? So as we know already, there are 5 stages in design thinking. The first one is empathy. So here we are going to identify the problem statement. What is the problem statement? So we want probability when some information is already known. That is our problem empathy part, right? So what is the defining part? Now how does one variable behave under a condition? So that is my defining part. Next, what ideate means solution. So what is the solution? So use conditional probability formulas, that is the solution, and build conditional distributions, right? So what is the prototype? So we are going to create a conditional PMF or conditional PDF, right? That is our prototype. Test or validate. So apply to a real world data, right? Next, applications of conditional probability distributions. So it is used in many areas. First one is data science, and the next one is machine learning and medical diagnosis, then risk predictions. So in these 4 sections, it is influencing in major area. Now in engineering, the contribution of compute conditional distribution is very important. For example, in communication systems, to analyze noise effect on signals, we use this conditional distributions, and in signal processing, to understand signals under certain conditions, we use this signal processing. Reliability systems, that means predict systems behavior when a component fails, right? Now here you can see the mind map, which is saying conditional distributions contains definitions, formula, and conditional PMF and PDF, applications of engineering and its uses, right? So all those topics that we have discussed in this video, right? Now, um, now this the assessment question. Only one question I want to ask. What is the conditional PMA formula? Come on, tell me. So I hope you must know the formula. The correct answer is P of capital X is equal to small x, comma capital Y is equal to small y, which is divided by P of capital Y is equal to small y. So this is the PMF formula, right? The next one is reference links. So dear friends, conditional distribution studies probability with the given information. So it is derived from joint distributions, so widely used in real world decision making and engineering. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all is definitely understanding this concept clearly. So I will meet you with a different concept in the next video. Thank you.